Are you afraid to invest in volatile market? Forex trading involves high risk. One speech from world leader like Trump and boom, gold skyrockets by $200 or worse. Geopolitical tensions rise and the market takes a wild turn. But the truth is, market volatility is always going to be there. The key is learning how to navigate these fluctuations with the right strategies and expert guidance. Many traders hesitate because of fears, uncertainty. However, those who understand the market and apply strategic risk management techniques are the ones who succeed. Understanding market volatility. Market volatility refers to the rate at which the price of a financial asset increases or decreases for a given set of returns. High volatility means rapid and unpredictable changes. In forex trading, volatility is influenced by multiple factors, including economical reports, political events, central bank decisions, and even natural disasters. Major currency pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, and USD JPY often experience fluctuations due to these global influences. So, should you be afraid of volatility? Absolutely not. Instead, you should embrace it as an opportunity, provided you know how to manage it properly. At Signal Expert Global, we help traders make sense of volatile market by providing actionable insights and trading strategies and work in any condition. How Signal Expert Global help you? Our services are designed to empower traders with the tools they need to make informed decisions. Here what we offer. Point number 1, real-time trading signal. We provide timely trading signals based on technicals and fundamental analysis. These signals help traders identifying potential buy and sell opportunities, reducing their need for guesswork. Our signals cover forex, major, minor, and exotic currency pairs, commodities like gold, silver, and oil, indices and stocks for broader market exposure, and of course cryptocurrency trading opportunity too. Point number 2, we offer risk management strategy. Minimizing risk is crucial in forex market. Our experts provide proven strategy to protect your capital and maximize profit, including stop loss, take profit recommendation, position sizing guidance, hedging techniques to mitigate losses with a strong risk management plan. Traders can sustain their trading journey without fear of major losses with us. Point number 3, expert market analysis and insight. Understanding why market moves in a particular direction is a key to making informed trading decisions. Our in-depth market analysis includes daily and weekly market reports, technical chart analysis with key prices levels, fundamental analysis covering economics, indicators, and news events. These insights give traders an edge by keeping them ahead of the curve. Point number 4, copy trading services. Not confident in your trading skills yet? No problem. Our copy trading services allow you to mirror the trades of professional traders with the proven success records. Benefits of copy trading, if I explain: no need for advanced market knowledge, hands-free trading with automated executions, opportunity to learn by observing expert strategies in action. Point number 5, educational workshops and webinars. Education is the foundation of successful trading. At Signal Expert Global, we believe in empowering traders through knowledge. Our workshops and webinars covers trading psychologies and mindset development, advanced technical indicators and strategies, economic event impact analysis, live questions and answer sessions with expert traders. Traders who invest in learning become more confident and disciplined, leading to better long-term results. Why choose Signal Expert Global? Experienced team. Our team consists of seasoned market analysts and traders with years of experience in forex and commodities trading. Thousands of traders rely on our services for consistent market insights and trading guidance. We use user-friendly platforms. We make it easy for traders to access our signals, analysis, and trading materials from anywhere in the world. And we provide 24/7 support. Have a question? Our customer support team is available around the clock to assist you. Now, if I give a final thought, how turning market volatility into profit? Instead of fearing market volatility, traders should see it as an opportunity. With the right knowledge, risk management strategies, and expert support, anyone can navigate the forex market successfully. Don't let market volatility scares you. Embrace it with the right knowledge and strategies. Join Signal Expert Global and start trading smarter today. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe our channel.